One of the things I find that is a very simple item that a lot of people have problems with, and I wanted to share that with you today. And it deals with the needle. We all know how to put needles in, but there's one part about that is I see this when I have a machine come to me for repair that is wrong with that needle placement. The needle set screw interfaces with the needle, of course, and when you finally tighten the needle with this set screw, you can see the line on that set screw. What has caused that line is where when you repeatedly tighten this screw to the needle, it wears a little groove into this set screw. Now, initially, when you started to use this set screw, if you, when you finally tightened it in position, did not have the eye of the needle right at 12 o'clock, what has happened may have happened to you is that when this was tightened, and you tightened it at say 1 o'clock or over 11 o'clock, and you continue to tighten it there, you'll wear that groove in. Then after some time, when you try to put, no matter how hard you try to put that needle at 12, with the eye of that needle at 12 o'clock, when you finally tighten that screw, you can actually see the needle turn out of position. It could be at, as I said, at 1 o'clock, or it could be at 11 o'clock, or maybe even worse. I've seen them even worse than in those two areas. So as far as having a good stitch on your long arm, and if you move it to the right, the left, front and back, make circles, if that needle's not in right, positioned right at 12 o'clock where that machine was timed at with the needle at 12 o'clock, you're going to get variation in your stitching. So you want to take a look and see if you're at 12 o'clock with the eye of the needle. And when you tighten it and it turns on you, this is what you need to do. You need to take the screw out, and you can use a file. If you have a file, file works good. Tighten that set screw into vice grips and hold it really tight. Make sure it's laying real flat, and then take your screwdriver and grind that down with a screwdriver so that line disappears. Now you have a new screw, I'll call it a new screw, that you can go ahead and set, and make sure your initial setting is that your needle is at 12 o'clock, needle eye is at 12 o'clock. If you do that, you're going to get more consistency in your quilting, and you're going to get more consistency in your stitching. Thanks for allowing me to show that to you. I run into that. I always make sure that I tell the owner of the machine that I'm repairing just what happened there. But it would be nice that I have this opportunity to tell more people of this very simple problem that I'm hoping can lead to you having improved success with your machine. Thank you very much.